What's up guys, this is Jesse with VMP Performance, and today on Shop Talk Saturday we're going to take a toolbox tour. Starting off, I have my Diagnostic Cart. Moving down here I have an Autel. Basic scanner, lets me get into all the systems, ABS, traction control, brakes, transmission, all that good stuff. We got office supplies. This is where I keep my fender blankets because don't want to scratch the paint on these beautiful cars we're working on. We'll go to the meat and potatoes of the toolbox. This pretty much carries everything you need to work on a car. If you come up top here, it's where I keep all my 3/8 and 1/4 inch stuff. All that kind of good stuff lives up here in the top. Moving down a little bit, start to get into the specialty sockets. Moving down, torque screwdrivers, mini screwdrivers, picks, O-ring. We'll keep rolling here. This is all specialty sockets. We got Allen's short and long. We've got female Torx, swivel sockets, regular female Torx, male Torx. Here's all screwdrivers, flatheads, Phillips. We got the little angled ones for tight spots. Move on to this top drawer over here. This is all our 1/2 inch. Again, I got impact, regular, 12-point, all my ratchets, extensions, standard, metric, axle nut sockets, torque wrenches, 3 different torque wrenches, swivel impacts and 3/8, good for bell housing bolts. I've got a couple of wrenches, just 1 or 2. Metric over here, standard over here, AN wrenches right here. And if you actually come up over here, on the side of the box, I carry my long snap-on wrenches and my longer Matco ratcheting wrenches. Now moving back down, my plier drawer, vice grips, exhaust cutters, ring pliers, spark plug wire removals, tin snips. Moving down, we get into compression testers, crankshaft pulley tools, alternator pulley tools, power steering pulley tools. And come back this way, all my air tools, air hammer, drill, impacts, cutoff wheels, etc. That's pretty much it for the black box. I've got multiple magnetic trays. They're all being used currently right now, so usually this is full of them. Magnetic trays are great when you're taking something apart. You can take it apart in layers, stack them in the certain trays, and you don't lose any bolts. Moving on to the gray box. On top here you see I got a tire pressure tool, wheel bearing packer, welding helmet, grinding helmet. Inside of it, right here is my junk drawer. I like to keep it organized. Everybody's got a junk drawer, but you should be able to find what's in your junk drawer. You got bits of hoses, bolts, P-clamps, self-tappers. Moving down a little bit more, we got our drills, our taps, our dies. I got the big set just in case. You never want to be without. You got carbide burrs, screw extractors, hole saws, drill bits, a bunch of helicoil kits. Again, when you need them, you need them. If you buy them, you'll never need them. Moving down a little bit more, we got hammers, chisels, punches, hand impacts, all the fun stuff. This drawer is all my 3/4 inch drive stuff. You hope you don't have to use it too often, but when you do, it's very nice to have. And then this is our last stop on the tour here. Just an extra laptop that I have to bring to shows and races, and a combustion leak down tester, and some zip ties, because it's not a real toolbox if you don't have zip ties in it. That's about it. That's the end of the toolbox tour. Thank you very much for coming. I hope you enjoyed your stay. If you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button.